Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we discuss all things love and relationships. Today we have a really interesting topic for you. 4 things you can do for him to miss you. Now, we all know that absence makes the heart grow fonder, so let's dive right into it. The first thing you can do to make him miss you is to focus on your own life and passions. When you have your own interests and hobbies, it not only makes you a more well-rounded person, but it also gives him a chance to see how amazing you are. Spend time doing things you love and make sure to share your experiences on social media, so he knows what he is missing out on. Next up, surprise him with occasional gestures of love and thoughtfulness. Send him a handwritten note, a small gift, or his favorite snacks. These little surprises will remind him of your presence and make him realize how much he appreciates having you in his life. Just remember not to go overboard with these gestures, as you want to maintain a healthy balance. Our third tip is to create memorable experiences together. Plan special dates or outings that are unique and different from your usual routine. It could be a picnic in the park, a weekend getaway, or even trying out a new activity together. These shared experiences will create lasting memories and make him long for more moments spent with you. Lastly, take care of yourself, both physically and emotionally. Invest time in self-care activities that make you feel confident and happy. Hit the gym, pamper yourself with a spa day, or try out new hairstyle. When you take care of yourself, you radiate positively and become even more attractive to others, including him. Plus, when you are happy and fulfilled, he will notice the positive energy you bringing to the relationship. So there you have it, 4 things you can do for him to miss you. Remember, these tips are not about playing mind games or manipulating someone's emotions. They are about becoming the best version of yourself and enhancing your connection with him. If the relationship is meant to be, these actions will naturally bring you closer. Thank you for watching. I have so much fun making those videos. If you have something to add, maybe you agree with something, maybe you don't, please leave a comment down below. And if you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.